6 months after most of America began locking down, coronavirus cases are on the rise in 20 states. More than 193,000 Americans have died from the virus, and on Friday, more than 47,000 new cases were reported. That brings the total number of infections to nearly 6.5 million in the United States. But more and more states are taking steps to reopen. Michael George is here in New York, which is planning to open indoor dining for the first time in half a year. Michael, good morning.
Jeff, good morning. Governor Cuomo announced this week that restaurants like this one behind me can reopen for indoor dining on September 30th, but only at a quarter capacity. It comes as the nation's top infectious disease expert continues to raise warnings about public gatherings.
I am concerned when I see things starting to move indoors, and that becomes more compelling when you get into the fall and the winter season.
In an interview Friday, Dr. Anthony Fauci said it will likely be another year before things return to normal.
If you're talking about getting back to a degree of normality which resembles where we were prior to COVID, it's going to be well into 2021, maybe even towards the end of 2021.
Despite Fauci's concerns, more and more states are giving businesses and schools the green light to open back up.
Effective Monday, both Broward and Miami-Dade County will be moved into Phase 2.
Governor Ron DeSantis announced Florida's two biggest counties can now join the rest of the state in allowing increased access to indoor entertainment and education. However, bars and nightclubs will remain closed. But in Nebraska, where cases are rising, the governor is ending nearly all social distancing restrictions in bars, churches, and gyms beginning on Monday.
We sanitize the bus morning before we leave.
But there are signs that many are still too concerned to even begin a return to normal. On this school bus in Plainview, New York, there are typically 40 students. On Friday, there were only 5.
The reason why I think these buses aren't really filling up with all the kids is just basically these parents are scared. You know, they really don't want to send their kids to a situation that they don't know what's going to happen.
Florida State University's normally packed football stadium will be at 25% capacity today. That's still 20,000 screaming fans when the team kicks off against Georgia Tech. But the tradition of tailgating will be put on hold.
Seems to be a little overkill to me, but that's just my personal opinion.
But at the University at Albany in New York, a rash of positive cases amongst athletes prompted the school to suspend all fall sports, and the school's president to warn students that campus could be shut down.
We will definitely continue to move in this direction if we find that anyone is endangering the health of our campus community and of our surrounding communities.
While limited reopening should help restaurants, more help from the government appears to be in doubt. On Friday, Senator Mitch McConnell expressed some skepticism about Congress's ability to reach a deal on a new economic relief package. Dana?
All right, Michael, thank you.